What you are making today, Nora? You are making
volcano.
You are making volcano. What apparatus do you have, Nora? You have baking soda, a glass jar, a mixing stick, shampoo and vinegar having red food color in it. We mixed red food color in it. Now Nora is putting baking soda in glass jar. Nora, add 2 teaspoon baking soda. Full heap full. Yes, good. Put it in the glass jar. Yes. Now Nora is adding 1 teaspoon shampoo in it. Full beta, heap full. Heap full shampoo. Yes. Put it inside. And now start. Okay, now Nora is going to add vinegar in it. Red vinegar. Okay. Start putting. Nora, up to my finger only. Oh, volcano start eruption. Put more vinegar. Oh, wow.
Yay.
Add some more vinegar.
La.
No.
Huh?
Nora, your volcano is not coming out. Add more vinegar. Now it has started coming out. Add slightly more. Now eruption started. Oh. Experiment successful. Thumbs up. Nora, show thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Ooh. Ooh.
Do you want to show more volcano?
Yes.
Oh. Now it is coming out. Fill whole plate. Victory. Nora, successful victory. Oh, it's enough. Enough now. Enough now. The plate is full.